Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Karseell Collagen hair mask at home. First, ensure your hair is clean by washing it with shampoo. Then, gently towel dry your hair until it's damp, not soaking wet. This helps the mask penetrate better. Finally, divide your hair into several sections. This makes applying the mask evenly much easier and ensures every strand gets treated. Now, let's apply the mask. Take a generous amount of the Karseell Collagen hair mask, about 1/4 cup for medium-length hair. Start applying it from the mid-lengths of your hair, working your way down to the ends. Focus on the areas that need the most conditioning. Remember to avoid applying it directly to your scalp to prevent weighing down your roots.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing your favorite tunes while you pamper your hair. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once applied, let the mask work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes. For an extra boost, you can cover your hair with a shower cap. While waiting, gently detangle your hair with a wide-tooth comb. After the processing time, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water. Make sure all the product is removed until the water runs completely clear. After rinsing, gently squeeze out any excess water with a soft towel. You can then air dry your hair or use a blow dryer on a low heat setting. Notice how soft and shiny your hair feels. For continued benefits, incorporate the Karseell Collagen hair mask into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Consistency is key for healthy, beautiful hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.